Welcome! In today's video, we will be learning the breath of fire, an energizing and invigorating practice used to awaken and purify the nervous system. It is also a great way to get a natural high at no extra cost. Let's jump right to it so you can experience the benefits for yourself. To start off, get yourself in a comfortable seated position. I said seated position. I personally recommend sitting in a lotus position. Using a few extra tools can help you get comfortable easier. Tools such as a yoga mat, a blanket, and a yoga block. The yoga mat and the blanket will work as cushioning, and the yoga block will help support your posture. I'm going to show you an example of how to use these, just so you know what I mean. Sit on the yoga block and cross your legs. Like this. Let's get started. The breath of fire is a very simple practice. Simply breathe in and out, focusing on the exhale. Maintain a straight spine and use your nose to breathe. Don't force your breathing, let it happen naturally. On the exhale, contract your belly. On the inhale, allow your belly to pop out. Pro tip: holding your hand on your belly allows you to keep track of your breaths easier. Here's an example from the side. Try to maintain a straight spine. A good way to practice is to perform 3 sets of 30 breaths with 1 minute pause in between each round. And that's it. That's all you need to start your fire breath practice now. Before we finish the video, let's do 1 round together. Get into a comfortable seated position and let's begin. I'm feeling that high I was talking about, guys. This is a great ab workout at the same time. And period, this is a great workout. I can feel a little sweat coming on. Can you feel it too? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Love you all. Thanks for watching.